Hello, guys. My name is Ehato Christian Osaze. You are welcome to today's edition of the Real Talks Nigeria. Quickly, let us look at the 18th out of 64 ways of making money in Nigeria. Last time we talked about the role that power plays. Today, let us talk about the role of agreement in making money in Nigeria. Now, remember, except two agree, they cannot work together. So, agreement is an extremely powerful virtue. Agreement enables people to make money, and an agreement enables individuals to make money. Meaning that if you don't agree with yourself that you want to make money, it will be extremely difficult for your spirit, your soul, and your body to align and work together for you to make money. Similarly, if you don't agree on common fundamentals with people, it will be extremely difficult for people to cooperate with you, their spirit aligning with your spirit, their mind aligning with their mind, and their body aligning with your body. So, agreement is extremely important. Agreement is extremely powerful if you intend to make money, especially if you intend to become rich and you intend to be extremely wealthy. No man by himself, for himself alone, can create wealth. That brings me to the just recently concluded presidential election in the United States of America. If Donald Trump had not been consistent and agreed with certain individuals in terms of alignment of values, it would have been extremely difficult for him to gather the kind of goodwill that has helped him and enabled him to win the presidential election. How does that relate to making money? A lot of sweat, a lot of money, $1, $2, $100, $1,000, tens of thousands of dollars had gone into the US election. Individuals, organizations had contributed funds for Donald Trump to be able to go about campaigns, rally, and all that. Now that the election is over, more is needed in terms of agreement to get the work done, because if he does not deliver, it will be extremely difficult for him to recommend or support anyone in the future. So agreement is extremely important. In economy, you need to agree and align with the regulators. If you don't agree with the regulators in the industry where you operate, it will be extremely difficult for you to prosper or make 1 naira, 2 naira in that economic or industrial space. Similar thing happens within businesses. If you don't agree with your departmental heads, if people within departments do not agree, if take for instance, if the marketing or sales department does not agree with the production department, it will be extremely difficult for the marketing or sales department to effectively market or promote or advertise the productions, the products that are coming out of the production department. So it's extremely important that there is agreement internal and there is agreement with external. So the internal environment, there must be healthy agreements, and within the external environment, that is your company or you must agree with the external forces or the external regulators or competitions in order for you to be able to make money. So one thing that agreement will do for you that will give you peace of mind, it will enable you to see opportunities within the industry and see opportunities as they come from others. So agreement is one of the things that you need to fully understand if you must, you know, make money in any environment you find yourself. So one of the ways to make money is to understand the power of agreements, know how to, you know, look beyond areas of disagreement and work within the framework of the agreements that you have with people. Once the job is done, you can collapse the project, you can end the deal. So whatever lessons you learned during the period of time that you had agreement with people, it is possible for you to modify those agreements so that moving forward, you would know better how to be more agreeable with people, with individuals, with family members, with friends. So my name is Ehato Christian Osaze, and I hope you have learned something from today's, you know, um, talks in the Real Talks Nigeria. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. And that reminds me of our forthcoming Lagos productivity workshop that is coming up on Saturday, the 30th of November 2024 by 10 a.m. at the National Library of Nigeria, Yaba, Lagos. I'm inviting you and I will encourage you to go to the website link christmas.com/productivity. christmas.com/productivity. It will be displayed on the screen and it will equally be on the description of this video. Thank you very much. See you at the top, and don't forget, you can be 10 times better. God bless you. Bye.